which you already have seen a little bit, is the live merge. Now this is my favorite, absolutely my favorite. And this is not only adding basic things to NAV. I call source control quite basic because any development should have source control. This adds some nice productivity features to NAV. Now, suppose I have a live and a test database in this case, and people have been doing some tests in the test database and has to be transferred to a live database. In that case, I can, let me maybe first do a small change here. So let me, don't know in which database I am in at the moment. If I double click, it's going to, oh, wrong window, sorry. If I double click on this one, it's going to focus me on test database. So I was in the wrong database. Okay, I will do another change. I'm checking it in. And now I want to transfer this to the live database. I select my object, and because both clients are open at the moment, it is aware of both clients, and I can right-click, compare the selection. So if I select multiple objects, it's going to take those into account as well, and it's going to give me all the clients here where I can compare with. So in this case, the Cronus Live, which is my other client. As you can see, you see here the 2 lines of changes and things like that. Now I want to transfer this to live, so I've got my replace second file with first file option, and I can save this. And now again, it's going to import it and compile it. Now you see that I get this 2 times because I have a backup file automatically created by Rx's merge as well. So it depends a little bit on the merge tool you use, how NAV is going to react. When you make some kind of compile change, like I use a bad statement here, I suppose this is not known in NAV. If I save this, it's going to give me the compile error as well. So in a way, you can work in your environment, in your merge environment, and solve all these compile errors as well until you've got a good one and your compile succeeds. Now this is definitely one of my favorite tools. It's not only useful for test and live, dev and test, but also useful for to do a very quick comparison of a customized version and a normal version or the default version. When, for instance, you notice that you expect that there are some developments that happened, but you're not sure, and then you can do a very quick comparison. Now this was of one object, but if we take our job queue back and take all these, we can compare all these objects with live environment. It's going to export it for me and set it up. And as you expect, of course, the job queue is all the same, so there are no changes here. But now I'm sure.